Welcome to your commodity chart of the day. Today we're looking at the copper futures CFDs. Copper's hit a record high over the last 3 days. Price surge. So let's have a look at the chart and have a chat about why this is and what might happen next. So you can see here this major move to the upside. Previous all-time high here back in March on the 26th, where we touched 537 to the upside before settling around about 524 prior to this major drop to the downside. Over the last month, we've seen buying coming back into copper to take it back up to that level. And then obviously 3 sessions ago, we had this surge. Why we had this surge? Well, it's Trump and his tariffs, the threat of a 50% tariff on copper from August the 1st has sent prices higher. Why would it send prices high when this may ultimately not be positive for demand for copper? Well, it's really quite simple, is that tariff isn't in place right now, so that there's a rush of buying to get as much copper as possible before that tariff comes into effect, essentially in 3 weeks. So could be more upside in this. You can see that when that was announced, you can see that spike up as high as 590 before just pulling back. But the last 2 days have seen more buying. Expect a choppy time of it as traders take profit. So you can see there some profit taken after that big candle, some profit taken again after we breached the closing high of that one. And we may see the same again. So it could be a volatile place to be, but just keep your eye on the key levels as we go. Those are what we would suggest right now. 546 to the downside, 573 to the upside. Really worth keeping on your radar. Should be more action over the next few days without a doubt. But as I said, this trade would be high risk, so you need to make sure that you are over it significantly if you're interested. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye-bye for now.